If you are looking into retirement income, you will often hear the term annuitant. Let's break down what this actually means for you. An annuitant is simply the person who receives the payments from an annuity contract. They are the primary beneficiary of the income stream. Data suggests a significant portion of retirees use these tools to create a steady paycheck in their golden years. The annuitant is responsible for funding the account and setting the rules for how and when the money is distributed back to them. While the owner controls the contract, the annuitant is the one whose lifespan often dictates the payout duration. Annuitants can choose between immediate income or waiting until a later date to begin receiving payments, depending on their retirement goals. Remember that the annuitant is the anchor of the contract, ensuring that the income stream serves its intended purpose for the long term. Understanding these definitions is the first step in planning your retirement. Please consult a professional for your specific needs. Thanks for watching.